Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. And one. Next inhalation, raise your right leg up. Then bend your right leg at the knee. We'll make a circle for your right hip. So bend your knees, make a circle for your right hip, clockwise direction. Press the palm, lift your sitting bone higher. 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll change the direction, counterclockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next inhalation, raise your right leg up. With exhalation, step the right foot front. Between both your palms, left knee down, toes out, lift the chest and raise your arms up. Raise your arms up, push your hips forward and down for next 5. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and with exhalation, drop your hands down. Straight your right knee. Straight your right knee, bend over your right leg. Lift right toes up. Stretch your right leg here for 5, 4, 3, and when you inhale, bend the right leg at the knee, press the palms, step the right foot back to down facing down. Next inhalation, raise your left leg up, bend your left leg at the knee, rotate your left leg clockwise direction. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Counterclockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, step your left foot front between both your palms. Right knee down, toes out, lift your chest up. Raise your arms up, stretch your arms up, lengthen your spine, push your hips forward and down for 4. Breathe in and exhale. 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, both hands down. You can come over the fingertips, straight the left leg. Lift the chest, lengthen your spine, bend over your left leg for 5. Breathe in and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, bend your left leg at the knee. Press the palm, come back to down facing down. Inhale, raise your right leg up, bend the right leg at the knee. This time try to open your hips. Lift the right knee up, open your pelvis, open your hips for 3. Breathe in, exhale. 2, and with exhalation, we'll step out right foot beside your palm. Right foot beside your palm. Rest your left knee down. Walk your palm a little bit forward. Then drop your forearms down. Lift the chest. Lower your hips down. Left toes pointing. We'll stay here. You can move your hips left and right, forward and back. Next 5 breaths. Breathe in. And exhale. 4, 3, and press the palm, lift your elbow up, walk your palm back. Then lift your back knee up, come back to down facing down. Next inhalation, raise your left leg up, stretch your left leg up, bend your left leg at the knee, open your pelvis and hips for next 3. Breathe in, exhale. 2, and 1. With exhalation, step the left foot front beside your left palm. Right knee down, toes out, walk your palm forward, then rest your forearms down. Stay here for next 5 breaths. The movement from your hips, left and right, forward and back, whatever you prefer at the moment for last 3. Breathe in, exhale. 2, and 1. Walk your palm back, press your palms, set the left leg back, come into the down facing dog. Good. Now from here, inhale, raise your right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot front beside your palm. This time we will bend our elbow like a chaturanga. Then slide the chest forward, lift up yourself for upper facing dog. And exhale. We'll step the right leg back down facing dog. We'll repeat same thing with the other side. So left foot front, bend your elbow, slide the chest forward, lift up, and then come back to down facing dog. We'll repeat 2 more times with both sides. So right foot front, bend your elbow, slide the chest forward, lift up, exhale down facing dog. Left foot front, bend your elbow, slide the chest forward, lift up, down facing down. One last time with the right side, right foot front, bend the elbow, lift the chest up, down facing down. Left foot front, bend your elbow, lift the chest up, down facing down. Bend your knees, look front, then step the right foot front and left foot front beside your palm. Come into the Malasana. Heels in, toes out. Good. You can use the block if your heels is not grounded. If you feel too much stretch for your ankle, put the 2 block under your heel. It's completely fine. Lift your chest up. Now from here, move your hips left and right side. Or maybe make a circle. Clockwise direction. So forward, left, back, right. Good. Now we'll change counterclockwise. Just warm up your hips a little bit more. Last 3. Your ankle, 2, and 1. Now join your palm front of the chest. Bring your palm heart center and try to push your knees away from each other as much as you can. Push your knees. Now breathe in, bring your knees or elbow together. Exhale, push your knees away from each other. So next time, little bit dynamically, little bit fast. 1. Breathe in, elbow together, exhale, knee away from each other. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your knees wider. Place your palm top of the mat. Press the palm. Lift your hips up. Straight the knee. With exhalation, lower your hips down. Lift the chest. Raise your arms up. So now we're going to dynamically inhale, arms over the head. Open your knees wider. Exhale, hands down. Straight the knee forward fold. So breathe in. And exhale. Inhale, bend the knees. Open your knees wider. Exhale, straight the knee forward fold. 1, next 5 times. Breathe in. And exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, arms up, lift the chest. Exhale, 4. And 5. With exhalation, drop your hands down. Open your knees wider. Then stretch your arms forward without lifting your hips. Okay? Bend your knees. Stretch your arms forward, forward, forward. As much as you can. Push your knees away from the region. And try to stay here. Right. And you can drop your elbow down, hand down. Do not lift your hips too much higher. Just extend your arms forward for next part. 4, 3, and slowly slide your hand back, lift the chest. Now from here, we'll shift the weight over your left leg. Okay, shift the weight over the left leg and try to stretch your right leg towards the right side. You can take the support of your right palm. Stretch your right leg towards the right side. Good. Stay here. One more time. We will walk our palms forward. Come over the fingertips. Stretch your arms forward, forward without lifting your hips. Do not lift your hips up. Lower the hips down. Then you can drop your elbow down, or you can stretch your arms toward the side and try to drop your forehead. You can go a little more deeper. Otherwise, you can just stay here for next 5 breaths. Right knee straight, align your right hip, knee, ankle, toes facing up to the ceiling and sky. Left knee away from the torso, hips lower, Then fold forward. Put a deep and nice stretch for your right groin, your inner thigh, right knee. For 5, breathe in. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, and good. Press the palm, lift your elbow, walk your palm back. Take the support of your palm, bend your right leg at the knee, slide your heel back to the Malasana. Now we'll shift the weight over your right foot, take the support of your palm, open your left leg with the left. Knee straight, you're facing up. Take your time and slowly bend over, bend forward. Push your right knee away from the hip. Hips should be lower, do not lift your hips too much. Feel free to use the block if it's too much, or stretch for your ankle. Put the one block under your heel, or maybe use the one block under your hips, or two blocks, whatever you need at the moment for next 5. You can go a little bit more deeper. You can stretch your hands towards the side, to the shoulder, and try to drop your forehead towards the floor. Right. For 4, breathe. Inhale. Exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lift your chest up. Take the support of your palm. Bend your left leg at the knee. Slide your left leg back to the Malasana. Good. Now from here, next relation, we will raise our both hands overhead. Stretch your arms up. Press the feet down. And lift yourself up. Come all the way up. Exhale. We'll come back to the Malasana. We'll do squat next 10 to 15. So inhale all the way, come up. Exhale back to Malasana. 2. Inhale up. Exhale, go down. 3. Inhale up. Exhale, go down. 4. Inhale up. Exhale, go down. 5. 6. Breathe in. Exhale, sit down. 7. 8. Each exhalation, opening is wider when you sit down. 9. 10. Last 5. Little faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next relation, come up. Release your hand. Palm facing front side. Relax for a while. In standing Shavasana. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Right. Now from here, open your eyes, come to the top of the mat. We'll go for Surya Namaskar transfer rotation. So with the exhalation, bring your palm heart center, join your arm front of the chest. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, take a gentle arc from the back. Exhale, fold forward. Head down towards the knee. Inhale, step the right leg back, knee down, toe down, lift the chest up. Exhale, left leg back. Inhale, rest your both knees down, exhale, chest and chin. Next inhalation, halfway cobra. Exhale, back to the mountain pose. Inhale, left foot front, lift the chest up. Exhale, right foot front, forward fold. Inhale, all the way come up, take a gentle arc from the back. Exhale, bring your palm heart center, complete around. Inhale, reach your arms up at your back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back, knee down, toes down, lift the chest up. Exhale, right leg back, mountain pose. Inhale, rest your both knees down, exhale, chest and chin. Flat the toes. Inhale, halfway cobra. Exhale, come back to the mountain pose. Inhale, right foot front, left knee down, toes on left chest up. Exhale, left foot front, feet together, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up, take a gentle arch. Exhale, bring your palm heart center. Next round. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch your back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step the right leg back, knee